Hey there, pals. I'm thrilled to have you back on my channel.
And today we're about to embark on an exciting adventure into the captivating world of wood carving. It's a craft that has been around for centuries, and it's time we delved into its mysteries. Before we get started, let me remind you that safety should always be our top priority. So don your protective gear, goggles, gloves, and all that good stuff. Now onto the fun part. The first thing you'll notice is the carving tool. It might resemble a toothpick at first glance, but trust me when I say it packs quite a punch. The key to mastering your carving skills lies in your ability to control the tool with your fingers. Start by gripping the tool firmly as you gently press it against the wood. As you get more comfortable with it, you can start rocking the tool. This will help you create those intricate lines and patterns that truly bring your creations to life. Remember to always be mindful of your grip and pressure. There's no need for brute force here, finesse is key. And hey presto, that's all there is to it. With a little practice and patience, you'll soon be crafting stunning wood carvings in no time. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure into the captivating world of wood carving. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more enchanting tutorials like this one. Until then, happy creating!